Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're gonna be making, I guess it's like a burrito bowl kind of. Well, it's not really a burrito bowl because you can eat it with taco shells. Maybe I'm gonna come back and do the intro over because I don't know what to say. What do I call it? I mean, it's kind of like a burrito bowl, but it's like a deconstructed taco or a deconstructed burrito. You know what? I'm gonna just show y'all what we're doing. We gonna figure it all out. Okay, so what I have right here is red onion, white onion, green onion, red, green, orange, yellow bell peppers, and mushrooms. Now what I'm planning to do is make quinoa fried rice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is saute up my vegetables in this cast iron skillet. So we're gonna start with some sesame seed oil. I'm adding white onions and red onions, and we're gonna let those saute a little bit before we add the rest of the ingredients. Now we're adding the bell peppers. After we have let all of the onions and bell peppers soften and saute for a little, we're gonna add in our mushroom. These are baby bella mushrooms. I'm now seasoning it with pure sea salt, onion powder, basil, and oregano. And we're gonna mix that all together. So after we have let our vegetables saute long enough, took that out the pan, I added some more oil, and now I'm gonna add my quinoa. This is about 2 cups of uncooked quinoa, I believe. And what you basically do with quinoa fried rice is you literally just put it in the skillet and you like pan fry it for a few minutes. You don't really need to pan fry it very long because it's already cooked. And then you just add in your vegetables. It's just like an alkaline vegan version of normal fried rice. So after I have let the quinoa I guess fry in the pan for a little bit, I'm gonna add back my vegetables. And at this point you can turn off your burner because everything in the skillet is cooked, so it's not necessary for your burner to be on because it will just continue cooking your food, and we don't want it to be too mushy. So I decided to make 2 different types of quinoa fried rice for the tacos. So I left the first half I guess normal, and I'm taking that out of the skillet and putting it in a separate container. I took some plum tomatoes and I put them in the blender and I pureed them up, and then I strained out the seeds, and then I added that back into the second half of the quinoa fried rice just to give it a different type of flavor. Now I'm going to be making the sauteed vegetables. I put a little bit more sesame seed oil in the skillet, and now I'm adding in onions and bell peppers. Now I'm adding in my mushrooms. And you're only going to let your veggies cook long enough to your liking. I don't like my veggies too soft and mushy. I still like them to have a little bit of crunch in them, so I'm only going to cook them as long as necessary. Then I'm going to season my vegetables with sea salt, basil, oregano, and then we're just going to mix that back together. You always want to add your mushrooms last because the mushrooms take the
the shortest amount of time to cook, and you don't want your mushrooms to be overcooked. And now I'm just showing you the final product of everything, the 2 different types of fried quinoa, the sauteed vegetables. This is just some romaine lettuce, and these are spelt tortillas, mashed avocados, and alkaline hot sauce.
Okay, hey, oh, I gotta get the camera. Okay, hey guys, we're back, and I finished cooking. I finished cooking everything. So what we have right here is 2 types of quinoa. No, I'm sorry. 2 types of quinoa fried rice. This one is just like, I guess, regular or normal quinoa fried rice, and then this one I added just pureed tomatoes in there. Then we have some sauteed vegetables. This is just onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms. We have lettuce, spelt tortillas, and then this isn't even guacamole. This is just mashed up avocado with salt and key lime juice, and then this is alkaline hot sauce. Oh. So this is my finished, I guess, taco, burrito, whatever you want to call it. I put both of the quinoa fried rice on there. I put the sauteed vegetables on there. I drizzled the alkaline hot sauce on top. I put some of the avocado, and then I put some lettuce on top. So I'm gonna eat this. Ooh, I taste the hot sauce already. Ooh. Oh, this is good. It's still good even though you know you don't have that walnut meat.